father of the bride, and Bill Pryor. Lily, he know what I told him about everything, but everything gonna turn out right, so I hope you stay together another 50 years or so.
My name is Janet Pryor. I am the mother of the bride, and I'm gaining another son, not a son-in-law, because he's just like a son to me.
Y'all know who I am. Lily, I knew my whole Virginia life. Nene, I'm married to her cousin already.
You know who I am. I ain't even got to say who I am.
Nene, this is precious. They're trying to make me do this thing 3 times. But anyway.
So I love y'all. Peace, love, happiness, congratulations. Let's get turned up for y'all. Let's get turned up for y'all.
Hey, Nene and Leo. I know it's Leon, but you know. Anyway, hope you have a long, happy life together. Congratulations.
My name is Faye, and I'd like to congratulate the bride, who is my cousin. Thank y'all, and thank y'all for inviting me. I love you.
I got a question. After the show, after the sex, after the music stops, what's next? Are we just writing songs? Are we concerned with uniting the people to follow the great commission of Christ? Let's go!
Hey, I'm Kurt. It's a blessing to find somebody that you can spend the rest of your life with. That ain't no everyday thing right there.
Kristen A, and congratulations, I'm very happy for you.
I just want to wish y'all much luck. Anything that I can do for you, just act.
Congratulations, and hope you all the happiness in the world.
Me and Leek here. I'm drunk as I don't know what, but congrats anyway. Bye.
Nene, this is your stepmother. You're just like a daughter to me, you and Wanda. I have been with you all just about all of your life. I want to say I love you, and I love Lily, and congratulations. I wish y'all to be happy for the rest of your life. Bye-bye.
Both of them good people, and I wish them the best.
Zulu have me on this camera again.
Now Lily's just a part of the bunch. All I can say is that I hope they have found much love and have much love. The love that they had, carry on, keep it going, stay strong, and I hope you see this message, because I just want to say I love y'all and God bless. All right.
Nene, Zulu in the house, staying alive like the BG. I know that ain't got nothing to do with y'all wedding, right? But anyway, I just want to say congratulations. Since the time that I met y'all seem like a pretty good couple. Lily, mad cool. Nene, you off the hook and you funny. And I like funny people. Oh! Grown ass man talking about some bull.
y'all know my daddy, he will holler before he give $1. You ain't gonna get $1 without him hollering. So he had to holler a lot because he had to give a lot of dollars. But he did it, and he did it graciously. And every time I call him, what now, Nina? What now, Nina? And the list got bigger and bigger and bigger. But Daddy, I love you, and I thank you for everything you've done.
But that's my baby sister. I love y'all. It ain't even enough tape to tell y'all what we've been through.
My name's Antonio. Congratulations.
Hey, Nene and Lily.
Hey, Gigi.
Say we love you.
Yeah.
This your goddaughter, Precious. This your stepdaughter, Shay.
This shows goddaughter, Nene.
And all of us want to say congratulations.
My name is Tion. I'm Nene's cousin. I want to say congratulations to Nene and Lily. I always want you all to put God first in everything you do. Love you.
Hi, Nene and Lily. This is Dee Dee. And I just want to congratulate y'all on your marriage and hope that y'all have many, many, many fun years to come. Congratulations once again.
Hey, Nene. This is Shelly, your cousin, your favorite cousin. I just want to say congratulations to you and Leon both. Many happy years together. Congratulations. I love you both so much.
Hey, Nene and Lily. Y'all know I can't talk good, so I'll be stuttering and stuff, so I ain't gonna say much. But congratulations. And yeah.
Hi, Nene and Lily. Hi, how y'all doing? Congratulations on y'all wedding. This is the queen. I'm very happy for y'all. I'm very honored to be here today. It was great watching you get married. Love you. Congratulations. Have a great life. Bye.
Congratulations. And we wish you many, many years to come.
Oh,
All right.
Mama Bertha was sitting down because she was trying to be cute in them too high shoes, but she can put on some flat ones now. She good. But these two have just been great. I've already thanked my mom, my sister, everybody, my friend Tiffany, Nicole. This little Nikki back here, in case y'all know. Where she at? This Nicole. And this is Zulu from the radio station. Thank you, Zulu. We'll have to do Big Lip Bandit in a minute. But I just thank everybody. But again, Daddy. Oh yeah! Thank you, Mom. She been up since 2 o'clock this morning cooking y'all that chicken. Thank you, Mom. Thank everybody for coming.